In this video, I'll show you how to quickly export a layout to PDF in AutoCAD using a fast and practical workflow. Start by opening your drawing and making sure the correct layout tab is active, since the current layout determines exactly what appears in the final PDF. Once your layout is ready, head to the Output tab and locate the Export to DWF PDF panel. From there, choose the PDF export option, or simply type Export PDF into the command line if you prefer keyboard shortcuts for faster navigation. After that, select the folder where you want the file saved and give the PDF a clear file name so it's easy to identify later. Before saving, it's a good idea to double-check plot settings, paper size, and scale to avoid formatting issues in the exported file. You can also preview the layout beforehand to make sure everything appears correctly on the page. Overall, exporting layouts to PDF is one of the most useful AutoCAD features for sharing drawings with clients, teams, or printers quickly and professionally. Subscribe for more honest, practical tech tutorials that help you work faster and smarter in AutoCAD.